In this video, we've picked the best thorn-proof gardening gloves to help you stay safe and comfortable while tackling those tough, prickly plants in your garden. Whether you're pruning roses, pulling weeds, or trimming blackberry bushes, we understand that protection is key. Not all gardening gloves are made the same, and the right pair depends on your specific needs. Some people might prefer gloves that offer full arm protection, while others just need something sturdy for hand protection. There are plenty of gloves out there like lightweight gardening gloves or thick work gloves for heavy-duty tasks. But today we're focusing on the gloves designed specifically to protect you from thorns and scratches, because sometimes that's exactly what you need over others. We'll walk you through the top picks for those looking for true thorn-proof protection, helping you make an informed choice that fits your gardening tasks and needs. So, let's dive in and find the best pair for your next gardening project. Number 5, we have the Supersfel gardening gloves for men and women. These gloves are perfect for you if you're the kind of person who often finds themselves dealing with bushes and plants that fight back. Think about those thorny rose bushes or wild blackberry bushes that seem to scratch and prick every time you get too close. If you've been avoiding those because of the pain or the fear of cuts, these gloves are made for you. The long sleeves that go up to your elbows offer protection from thorns and poison ivy, which is a huge plus if you're working in thick, overgrown plants. The cowhide leather is tough enough to keep you safe, and the sheepskin palm ensures you stay comfortable even when working in the heat. If you're dealing with anything thorny or need that added layer of protection for your arms, these gloves are a perfect choice. They're practical, breathable, and will keep your hands and forearms safe while you tackle tough gardening jobs. Moving on to number 4, we have the Trifabricy leather gardening gloves. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in the garden, whether it's pulling weeds, trimming small shrubs, or potting plants, these gloves will be your new favorite tool. They're tough enough to handle your typical gardening needs, like weeding, pruning, and digging, but they're also flexible enough to let you perform more delicate tasks. The cowhide leather offers abrasion and puncture resistance, which is exactly what you need when dealing with garden tools and plants that can tear regular gloves apart. If you like the idea of a glove that's strong but won't make you feel clumsy while you work, the Trifabricy gloves are for you. Plus, they won't leave your hands sweaty because they're breathable, which is great if you're working long hours in the sun. This is the perfect choice if you're looking for a good all-round glove that'll keep you comfortable during extended gardening sessions, all while protecting you from common gardening hazards like scratches and punctures. At number 3, we have the Slarmore long gardening gloves. If you're the type who is often caught up in dealing with particularly thorny plants like roses, cactus, or holly, these gloves are exactly what you need. They're designed for those of us who need more than just hand protection. The extended sleeve that goes all the way up to your elbow is perfect if you're dealing with thorny branches or plants that like to scratch and bite. These gloves are made of high-quality cowhide leather, which means they're durable and puncture resistant, but they're also flexible enough for you to use your hands easily. Whether you're trimming thorny bushes, working with poison ivy, or handling thorny vines, these gloves are tough enough to keep your arms and hands protected. The extra coverage and flexibility make them ideal if you're looking for a glove that offers complete protection while allowing you to move freely and work efficiently. If you often find yourself in dense, thorny areas and need full protection, these gloves are a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Oizen cowhide leather thorn-proof gardening gloves. These gloves are a great choice for anyone who needs a balance between durability, comfort, and flexibility. If you're someone who enjoys working with a variety of garden tasks like weeding, pruning, planting, and even a bit of outdoor DIY, these gloves will suit your needs perfectly. The cowhide leather ensures that you're protected from punctures and abrasions, but they're still flexible enough to let you perform tasks that require more dexterity, like planting seeds or using garden tools. The stretchable, breathable back keeps your hands comfortable even during long work sessions, And the added bonus of being touchscreen compatible means you can check your phone without having to take them off. If you need a reliable glove that's as versatile as your gardening routine, whether it's for regular garden maintenance, yard work, or even other outdoor activities, these gloves will do the job. They're not too bulky, but they offer the protection you need to handle common gardening tasks with ease and comfort. Finally, at number 1, we have the COOLJOB thorn-proof rose pruning garden gloves. If you're regularly handling thorny plants like roses or bushes, or dealing with sharp branches that can easily cause injury, these gloves are for you. The extended sleeve gives you full protection from your wrist all the way up to your forearm, which is exactly what you need when you're pruning roses or pulling thorny weeds. The faux suede leather is both strong and comfortable, and the silicone dots on the fingers help you grip tools more securely, which is great when you're working with pruning shears or gardening tools. If you find yourself working with prickly plants on a regular basis and want that extra protection while also staying comfortable, these gloves offer the best of both worlds. The extended cuff keeps dirt and debris from getting inside, and the flexible design ensures that you can work for hours without hand fatigue. Whether you're a dedicated gardener, landscaper, or someone who enjoys tackling outdoor projects, these gloves are the perfect mix of durability and comfort for those tough, thorny jobs. Each of these gloves is designed with specific needs in mind. So think about what tasks you spend the most time on in your garden or yard. Whether you're tackling thorny plants, performing detailed work, or just need all-around protection, one of these gloves will be your perfect match. Choose based on your personal needs, and you'll be ready to take on your garden work with confidence.